Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and power. These things matter. You check Mac OS version and confirm battery above 20%, then enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so the feature can register devices. Once done, go to Settings and look for dynamic spot toggles. Make sure the system permission for notifications and camera/mic is granted to the app you expect to use. These steps reduce variables quickly, so you can isolate the problem instead of guessing blindly. Next, you dig into configuration and possible software corruption. Force quit the app and related background services via Activity Monitor, then delete dynamic spot preference files or use the built-in reset option if available. This clears bad settings. Once done, reboot into safe mode to test the feature with third-party extensions disabled, because many conflicts come from plugins or utilities. If it works in safe mode, make sure to re-enable items one at a time to find the culprit. Systematic elimination saves time. To finish, you reinstall the latest app or apply the newest Mac OS update and then test again. Sometimes binary repairs fix unnoticed corruption. If the problem persists, create a fresh user account and try Dynamic Spot there to determine whether the issue is local to your profile. Finally, collect logs from the console app with exact timestamps and reproduction steps before contacting support. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip is this. Replicate the bug in a clean environment, safe mode, or a new user so you can present clear evidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.